Nasa H&M kami. Wait lang, ayan.
Holding back tears and fears, you're just my type. As the night goes on, I keep biting my tongue, saying I still haven't been able to make this moment go wrong. I'll drink another drink, so I don't have to think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you all the way from across the room, and I'm fond of you. Haze in my eyes, but still there's thoughts in my mind, justifying the solace when I want you to be mine. The king of overthinking sure doesn't wanna think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you all the way from across the room, and I'm fond of you. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do.
nasa time zone na kami right now. Haha.
May superpowers po ako.
I'm sorry po. Grabe, ang cool mo naman. Nakabilib ka naman. Grabe, bilib na po ako sa'yo. Super galing mo po. Grabe.
I know I still remember. You can't have gone away. Your face is all that matters. Oh, I'm alone in the secret.
Naubos yung laman nung tawag dito? Card. Magde-take pa sana kami ng isa. Kaso, we are broke.
Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Feliz. Kakarating lang namin guys.
Stop.
Haha. Tangkat ko guys.
Umalis si Chassie, may naiwan. Bakit di niya sinasabi? Pwede naman siya magsabi. Samahan naman natin siya.
I know it's the case. Repeating pictures at ease.
Chachi, kung napapanood mo man to, anong nangyari? Nag-worry ako kay Chachi. Hindi kasi kung magsi-CR yun magsasabi.
This used at the front of my heart. Oh, please help.
Unboxing pero cutting edition.
Ano to? Gugupitin
Ayan
namin
yung
to.
gugupitin namin.
me inside this, oh, inside this
So guys, panoorin niyo ako isuot ang aking
Sensor.
Nice guys, open up your clouds to blue skies. It feels right. Brown eyes, something just tells me that they don't lie. Looking for a girl that's my ride or die. Feels right.
Ali? Ali!
I got some things to say. Can't decide. I can change your mind. I feel some new kind of motion. Your call, where are we going? My heart's in
Kasi si Kiris katapat Bible. Ay, naman natin pala. Tignan natin.
Sino po naglagay ng Bible dyan sa Possessive series? Gusto lang po namin tanongin, ano pong trip nyo? Tingin ka dito, Chachi.
Nagbabasa ako guys.
I love you since ano to?
Kikinig.
Ano to? Si Janela Salvador ba to? We? Siya to?
Sure.
Siya to?
Yup.
Uy, naalala mo nung ano? Nung bumili tayo ng sandamakmak na dotted notebook tapos ginawa natin ng effort yung isa dyan.
Oo. Naalala ko yun.
Ginawa natin ng journal. Ewan ko kung tawag ba dun journal, pero ginawa natin siya ng effort. Tapos sabi ko, ibibigay ko sa kanya pag uwi niya dito. Hindi naman siya umuwi. Kung kilala niyo po kung sino tinutukoy ko, secret lang po natin yan.
True.
Opo.
Basta nagsisimula siya sa letter K.
K?
K. Hindi, A pala. Alberto.
Ganda mo, Chachi.
No, charm. Pero ano ba? Ikaw mo ako na.
Kaya ang hirap i-compliment ko. Pag ina-compliment parang
Minsan na kasi ako i-compliment. Ano ba guys?
guys, lagi nyo kasi i-compliment si Chachi.
Ano ka na?
You could be my boo, yeah. No, I'm crazy for you.